In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to save a Canva design as a PDF. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva and come to your home dashboard. If you're not logged into your home dashboard, simply locate home in the left-hand menu and click on home. And once you are here, under recents or under projects, click on the design that you would like to download as a PDF. And once you do, you will be taken into the design page of Canva. So once you have your design open, you want to navigate over to the top right hand corner, click on share. And when you click on share design, you will see a download option. Click on download. And then in the file type section, there'll be a drop down where the usual suggested file type is a PNG. You're going to want to click on this drop down and you're going to want to click on PDF standard or PDF print, depending on what you would like to do. If you'd like to print this, then click on PDF print and decide whether or not you'd like crop marks and bleed, whether or not you'd like to flatten PDF, include notes, match reading order to layers, and you can also select the color profile where you can pick between RGB, which is best for digital use, as well as CMYK, which is best for professional printing. But if you're not going to print and you just like it as a PDF, then you click on PDF standard under the file type and you can check compress PDF. If you would like to compress the PDF file, you can flatten PDF, you can include notes, you can match reading order to layers, and you can enable password protection. But once you have selected the type of PDF that you'd like to save it as, simply click on download, and when you do that, the file will be downloaded as a PDF and you'll be able to open it from your device file explorer. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or any issues during the process, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below.